Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will discuss ayah number 25 of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word وَيَقُولُونَ. Now this is also very easy, it's not difficult because you are familiar with the makhraj and the counts of the letters over here, alhamdulillah. What will you do? You will circle your lips for the letter Waw and you will have to give it one count because it is just with a fatha. The Ya should be given one count. Your Qaf over here should be without air, not like the letter Kha. Be careful. It's O, okay? O, and it should be given two counts because it is with Waw Maddiya. Your Lam should be given two counts because this is also with Waw Maddiya. Your Noon should be given one count. وَيَقُولُونَ. Okay, Mata. Meme is very easy. Should be given one count because it is just with a fatha. And your Ta should be given two counts because it is with alif saghira. Okay, inshallah. Now moving on. You have the word hadal wa'adu. Now this is easy, inshallah. Ha should be given two counts because it is with alif saghira. Your Dal should join with the Lam. Your Waw should join with the Ain, and your Dal should be given one count. It should be Hadal Wa'adu. Okay, one your Ain. Wa. Okay, Wa'adu. Your Dal should be given just one count. Now here you have Ikhfa, and you all know what is Ikhfa, sisters. What is Ikhfa? You'll have to hide the Noon, right? So you will hide your Noon over here and also over here. So it should be in kuntum, not in kuntum. Don't make your Noon clear. It should be ink, like the word we read, like the word pink. Okay, how do we read pink? It's the same thing, ink or pink. Okay, it should be in kuntum. Okay, your meme should be given moderate timing at the end of this word. And then you have sadiqeen. Your Sod should be given two counts and it should be heavy. It shouldn't be like the Sin. Okay, and your Dal should be given one count. Your Qaf should be without air. It should be heavy, but don't make it too heavy. Not oi. Don't pressurize yourself that way. It should be just qi. Okay, qi. Don't make it like kaf as well. Be careful. Okay, sadiqeen. Inshallah, and the Noon at the end should be given moderate timing. So practice well with the Shaykh. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.